the Invincible Snake, and this one like here is a small one, and this one like here is a large one, and each snake has loud squeaker inside. 1, 2, 3 for the small, and the 6 squeaker inside for the large one, and tail rattles, and sound of the squeaker is like this. And then these toys are stuffing free. And as you may have noticed in the label over here, these toys never stop squeaking, even after the punctures, and it's very interesting toy to have for your dog. And this toy, small one actually, for our dog, as you can tell, our dog really likes it. Let's see if we like it. What's this? What's this? Bye-bye. Baby. Good.